Once you've found what you're looking for, everything you need is right here in the player. As soon as you begin playing a session, you'll also notice the sticky player appear. This gives you quick access back to whatever you're listening to, wherever you are in the app. If a certain practice or playlist resonates with you, you can explore more just like it by tapping more like this, which is a great way to deepen your practice or to find something similar that feels like a better fit in the moment. You can also save any session to your favorites, making it quick and easy to return to the ones that work best for you. Or if you prefer to listen offline, you can download sessions directly to your device so they're always available whenever you need them. You can access both your downloads and favorites by simply tapping their icons in the app bar, where you can browse, play sessions directly, or remove them from your list if you no longer need them.